I want to stop guessing and start winning at investing. My name is Levi, and I'm going to share with you my 14 personal rules of investing that make long-term wealth building simple and effective. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying anything, invest in yourself. Rule number 2, invest in financial institutions, not their products. Be an owner, not a customer. Rule number 3, invest primarily in dividend ETFs. They're low cost, they're diversified, and they're a great passive investment stream. Rule 4, reinvest dividends as soon as possible. Use drips to supercharge your growth. Rule 5, choose flat-based fees over percentage commissions. Why pay more as your wealth grows? Rule number 6 is make your contributions automatic. If you do this, it's like putting your portfolio on autopilot. You're never going to miss an opportunity. Rule number 7, invest in what you use. If you believe in a product enough to buy it, you should probably consider adding it to your long-term portfolio. Rule number 8, invest for forever. Did you know I made my first stock market investment in 1996 when I was just 16 years old? Back then I had a vision of retiring early, but I had no idea how to get there. Rule number 9, the math always tells the true answer. Ignore the noise and follow the numbers. In the early 2000s, I dove headfirst into dividend investing, a strategy that pays you to own stock. Rule 10, educate yourself. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Rule number 11, seek professional help. There are people out there that know way more than you do, and it's okay to ask. 10 years ago, I started trading options to amplify my returns. And in 2017, everything changed. I realized I had a huge problem. The people around me didn't have my financial knowledge, and they didn't share my love of the stock market. They were financially unaware. So I started this channel in hopes of bringing clarity to investors. And what a success it's been. I have members from all over the world who have followed these rules and are on their way to financial freedom. Rule 12, invest today, not tomorrow. Procrastination is the enemy of compounding returns. Rule 13, time in the market beats timing the market. Remember, patience pays, always. Rule number 14, if you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Sounds simple, right? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button today and let's get rich together.